Hello again, Len Definis, broker owner of Home Solutions Realty Group, and I want to talk to you about this next topic, which is probably something that a lot of people don't think about when selling their home, and that's wealth and equity. You know, when we think about our wealth, it's what we accumulated over the course of our lives. And some people might collect coins, some people collected artwork, some people collected cars, and other people have barely collected much of anything, okay, based on, what they thought was important to them. The wealth that we have, okay, is a long term, how would you say it, investment in yourself. And the number one thing that has and contributes to our wealth is our income, our savings, possibly money that is left to us, and also our home. We've bought homes and we pay mortgages on a monthly basis, and that mortgage, we hope, goes down over time till you get to a point in your life where you have a zero balance and no mortgage. The resulting factor of that is the equity that is in your property. And this is what we call an untapped equity. And then what happens is we decide to sell our property. And we've worked so hard our entire lives, whether you're 40 years old, 50 or 60, this doesn't matter. We've worked so hard our lives, okay, to accumulate the equity in our properties that we don't give a second thought as to what it's going to take and how much it's going to cost me when I sell my property. That's the purpose here, okay? We're looking to preserve your wealth and your equity in the sale of your property. Equity is something that we've been giving away for a long time. And these recent rulings that have taken place that are now law, okay, effective August the 17th, all right, is going to put more wealth and equity and allow you to keep it once you sell your property. So how does this work? Okay, when you go to list your property, you're going to be faced with making a decision as to what agent you want to represent you. You're going to look at the experience of the agent, the quality of the office, okay, the recommendations that they have. And then the last thing, which is usually sometimes the first question that I'm asked, is how much are you going to charge me? And over the years, okay, we've charged 5-6% to sell properties. With the new law, that's no longer necessary. So an example to that might be, if I have a $500,000 house and I'm going to pay 5% commission and assume that 2.5 goes to the buyer's agent, 2.5 stays with the person who's selling my house, okay, we're looking at a total of $25,000. Things have changed. You no longer have to, nor should you believe that if an agent tells you that you have to list your house and pay 5% commission or 6% commission, and it's for your own good to do this so that buyers will come to your house, I don't want you to believe it. It's an incentive. Why not give an incentive to the buyer themselves directly, as what we call a concession in this business? When it comes to selling your house, okay, if you were to sell your house and only have to pay let's say, a 2% fee on that $500,000, only paying your seller's agent, that's going to save you $15,000 of equity. Where does that $15,000 go to? Instead of going to the other agent who has a contract with a buyer who has agreed to pay them a set amount, it is going to go into your pocket. Now, doesn't that sound like a better way to do business for yourself? Don't let an agent tell you the buyers aren't going to come look at your house, okay? Don't let an agent tell you that it's in your best interest. Negotiate your amount of money that you want to pay to the selling agent of the property, and let the buyer pay their agent, or let the buyer's agent negotiate into the contract how much it's going to be. We're looking to save you your equity in your property. And if you don't believe it, we have many people. We've always been proponents of charging less, okay? And we got the same results. We don't discount. This is not a discount brokerage. This is a brokerage that works directly for you, the seller, to do the best possible job, show you what your options are, and then allow you to come up with whatever decision you make regarding how much total fee you want to pay. So if you have some more questions, right up above, you can contact us. We'll have one of our team members get back to you, and we will then have a Zoom meeting or come out to see you in a personal meeting, okay, to discuss these options and give you a little bit more detail as to how we believe will attract buyers to your property and will save you the most. Because at the end of the day, isn't it all about the dollars and cents in your own pocket? With that, I'd like to say it's been great. There's some more information here that Paul has left and some more videos, and we will be updating this website as we go on, okay, over the course of the next couple months, and give you some very important facts. Thank you very much and have a great day.